What does a perfect pallet look like? And how often do your people create a perfect pallet? And is that valuable to your customers? Well, yes, it probably is. Your customers want that pallet to come in, fit into their racking system. Are the labels on the cases all facing in the right direction? People will make mistakes. The robot won't make that mistake. The robot will always place the case the way it's programmed to do so. You get a perfect pallet every time. It's difficult to find someone who will stand all day and pick up a case of beer and stack it on a pallet. It's a tough, demanding job. They're coming at you every 6 seconds. Someone will have a bad back. They'll need a break. A robot can do that all day without any pauses, without any breaks, and accurately and reliably. Robots are great at moving things around, heavy things, light things, with precision, with repeatability, with accuracy, with quality. That leaves people hopefully to do more human things. Especially when you're taking the worst job in the plant and giving it to a machine, the workers aren't unhappy with you. They're actually delighted with you. Opus has been in business for 21 years, and we have built over that time over 200 projects with robots. Predominantly up till now, we've been working in the automotive industry. We're doing a lot of work right now in palletizing and packaging in the food and beverage industries. The core is a palletizing box with a robot, with a set of safety constraints, with programming tools that allow us to implement a custom system fairly quickly. It's a tremendously reliable piece of equipment. A lot of people can deliver a robot in the middle of a box, moving cases around. The key is, can we make it fit perfectly into the customer's working environment? This system has safety doors that allow the robot to work on one side while we're unloading a full pallet from the other side. It's a combination of the ABB Safe Move system, light curtains, roll-up curtain doors, and controls. All of that is innovative. It's using well-known, well-proven, and certified safe technology to make sure we can have a high productivity cell that's safe in a small space. We have to make sure that the solution we're offering is going to work. I mean, the last thing I want to do is put a system into a plant that's not right for that plant. It causes headaches for everybody. So we go through a process that's very much a consultative sales process. We'll do simulations, we'll do analysis of their existing equipment, their space, and so on, in order to make sure that the system's going to be right for them. The one that we're going to be using in the beer industry is different than the one we're going to be using carrying a stack of lumber around. It's a very different size product. We have online links to the system from our central office, so we can do remote upgrades, programs, monitoring. I think the key to our success is going to be making you successful, and the only way we do that is by working really, really tightly with you.